Hello and welcome back for my video. In this video I'll show how you can find interesting elements in your XML document by using Python. It's very interesting if you can find the element. Let's say you want to get the brand Philips and you want the model. If you see the previous video, you know you can just loop those together, but there will be a faster way to do this, and I will give you a sample here. So let's begin. First we need again parse a document and sample XML. I need my root and then tree get root, and then I want to loop into product in root find all the hit product. That's meaning I want to take all the elements that hitting product here, and then I want to print out product tag product attribute. But then I need to figure out what brand we use in here. So I need to say brand is equal to product.find brand, and then I want to say my brand title is equal to brand text, and then I want the brand model is equal to brand get model. When you use get, it's meaning you will get the attribute of the element, and if you use text, it's meaning you will take the text between the tags, and then we need to print it out. Let's say model title, brand title and brand model, and then we just for fun make this one so it's more readable, and then you can see product Philips model. So easy and so simple. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please make them below. I'll try to answer them. And I hope you want to subscribe, like and share this video. And of course, thank you for your time and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.